you want to know the original source of any image, in this video I will show you how to use Google's reverse image search to find where a photo came from, who posted it first, and related images. So, to know how to do this, just follow me step by step. The first thing you have to do is to go to Google Chrome, as you see. Then here, the first page of Google Chrome, you will find it here, as you see, as a camera, or you can go to above and you will find it here also. So we click on this sign of camera of Google Chrome, as you see, and then they will show you your gallery, and you will choose the picture that you want to check to check the original source of this image. For example, let's check this picture here. As you see, they will give you a lot of sources, so you can check where is the exact source here. And to make it more specific, you will click here on exact matches, and you will click here on exact matches, and you will find the original source of this image, as you see, and you will find also the exact matches of this picture here, as you see. So also in this way, if someone sends you a photo, you can check whether it's really their picture or if they just took it from a website. So let's try an original photo, for example here. This photo, I will check if there is related images for it, like this here. There is no related images, and when I go to exact matches here, I will not find also the exact matches, so it means that this picture is original and not fake and not taken in any website. There is no source in any website here, as you see, for this image that I put here. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.